Hi, the Xoro 8000 is a PVR ready box, which means that it doesn't come with its own built-in hard drive, but if we add on something like a USB key here or a hard drive, we can actually, it allows us to pause live television, record and play back programs we've recorded, okay? So if we look at the range of USB keys and things like that we would normally use it with, would be from 2 up to about 16 gigabytes. And also then on the hard drive front, you know, the most common ones would be either 250 or 320 gig. Now, if you go for larger ones than that, you're probably going to run into the problem. It'll just have problem powering the boxes. This is very, very common across PVR ready boxes here. That generally doesn't like anything larger than 320 gig. So how to connect this onto your box? Well, what I'm going to do is just going to rotate the box around here 90 degrees, and we'll actually see here that we have a USB port here. Okay, so I'm just going to take my hard drive here and slot this USB port in here like this, and then I just turn the box around. So this takes, there's a few steps to this. What will happen initially is it's reading the USB thing here, so it'll say it's, in a moment it's going to say that the USB device is being mounted, please wait. Okay, you'll see that there now. So just say I am a very anxious man and I would just want to go do whatever. If I come along and I hit the USB button at this point, it'll say no HD or removable drive is connected, okay? But after about 30 to 40 seconds, a message will come up on the screen to say that the USB device is available. So you just need to be a little bit patient in this regard. And that's it, available now. So now it means that that's connected, it can see it, and we can record. The format that we've using for this is FAT32, and it's a format that this particular box prefers, okay? So what I'm going to do at this particular point in time is I will make a decision here. I'll just show you the buttons I'm going to use here. We're going to use the USB, time shift, media, forward and rewind buttons, record buttons, and pause buttons here, okay? So if I come along here and I just simply press the pause button here, it'll do nothing for me, okay? But if I press the time shift mode here, it puts it into time shift mode, and now if I hit pause, I can actually pause live television. So at this particular point in time, I can go make a cup of tea, answer the door, whatever like that, and we can see here that we've 11, 12, 13 seconds is continuously counting of filming being recorded here. And when I come back into the room, I can simply come along, press play, and it'll play this back at where it was. And to exit out from there, we can either just forward on to bring us up to where we are in live television, or we can simply hit the stop button and it'll kick us back out. So if I just hit stop there, then we're out of time shift here now and back into an ordinary thing. So I might make a decision here. I'm going to flick on to a different channel. So we'll go on to RT2, which is actually a high definition channel. And this time we'll actually use the record button. So I'd simply press record here, and it immediately starts recording. Now the first thing to check is, can I look at a different channel when I'm recording? And you find that zapping will stop the PVR, okay? So continue, no, okay? Sorry. So so you can see there, it's not actually possible to flick to a different channel when you're recording this particular one, which is a bit frustrating. But anyway, if I come along at this particular point in time and if I hit the stop button here, do you want to stop recording? Yes. Now if I go to flip channels, you'll see it'll work successfully. So what I'm going to do, come along here to play back what I'm after recording, is I simply hit the media button here. I hit select, and I'll come down to, it was RT2 was recording, which you can see here. We can see the day, the date, the time, and the duration of a particular thing. And to play that back, I simply come along and press OK here. So we can see what we did, and we can either forward this on, we can pause it, we can do the various different things, or we can just hit the stop button to kick ourselves out of there totally, and then just exit back out. So that's it, an overview of the PVR things. Now the final thing I'm going to show you here is how to safely disconnect the hard drive here. So what we do here is, we're going to just turn the box off, put it to the standby mode, and what it's saying is, safely removing USB device, please wait. And once it's powered down, we can see the LED light has gone off on the box USB here, and we just simply can disconnect the USB safely at that point, or the hard drive. So that's it, an overview of the PVR facilities on the Xoro 8000.